Alright guys, welcome back to Stuck on Analo. I'm stuck with you guys and we are always smiling. Today I'm with my personal chauffeur, right? And we're going to be taking you guys on this adventure that I always wanted to do. First of all, I want to shout out to everybody that's been dropping a subscribe, dropping likes on the videos. You guys make it possible for me to make more content like this. Now this video is special because I've wanted to do it for a very long time. And that is what the food title says, which is the street food patties. So today we're going to check out 4 patty stops, 4 very popular patty stops. If you guys know those stops, drop it in the comments and let me know. Let's see if we can get it right. Anyway, so we're at the very first one. Jilly, are you excited?
I am very excited. I can't wait.
Okay, what's your no, I can't ask what's your favorite patty because I don't want you to give away what the stops might be. Anyway, let's get into today's video. Alright, Jilly, what do you say you hate about a patty? What do you look for when you're trying to get the perfect patty?
It needs to be like really hot. Like when you bite it, you go
Yeah, exactly.
Steaming hot, like just come out of the oven. Kind of hot, yeah.
That's exactly how I want it. I like when it's hot, very steamy. Now, the first stop that we're going to be making right now, I think, is like the prime stop for this particular company because the patties here are always hot. Do you agree with this one?
Yeah, man, I think so.
All right.
This is a Jamaica patty place.
Facts.
Yeah.
All right, let's do it.
Let's go.
All right, so we're up on the road with Jilly. You see me? Vibes. All right, to the line now. In this very...
6 feet apart, 6 feet apart.
We're in this very long line. We're out here at the perfect time because it's around 11:30. And at 12 o'clock, you go find, say... Oh, we're at 12 o'clock, so awesome. So you go find, say, at this time the patty them supposed to well hot. Cause lunchtime, people them out to get the patty them, you see me? If you guys know exactly which part this stop is, just drop it in the comments. If you've been here before, make me know. You see me? So, there you go. So Julia said she hasn't been here for a very long time.
Very long time.
Yeah. The setup is even changed. Like there's one to hold down here to sell so much patties. This section is only for patties and the other section is only for food. So, you see me? We're there. So, yo, when you smell incredibly great. Where there are tasties right now. The food smell good. Yo, it's a vibes. Alright, what are you getting? Alright. Yeah, can get 2 beef patties, separate bags, getting drinks. Huh?
A Pepsi.
And a Pepsi and a water, please. 180 dollars a patties now. I remember when I first started eating patties, it was like $20. It was $20 for one patty.
And I used to pay like
$8?
in my time, it was $8.
Wow. Vibes. Drop in the comments, guys, how much you paid for your very, very first beef patty. I'm at 22 and you're at $8. Yeah. Yeah, 8.36.
8.37.
Yep.
There you go.
Thank you.
Which flavor soda?
Pepsi and a water, please. Them super hot, right? That's what we want.
Really hot.
That's what we want. Hot patties, yo.
Them hot. Oh my god.
Yeah, hot patties. Thank you.
Welcome.
So like I mentioned earlier, this is the side that actually sells the food. The food here is pretty good actually. I'm here walking to the driver's side because I'm used to driving, but like I said today, I'm chauffeur driven, so vibes.
See that?
Someone know, I kind of want to know, because you know, beautiful lady, you understand, so sometimes you look very uptown and thing. When is the last time you eat a patty?
I had a patty 2 days ago.
2 days ago?
Patty and cocoa bread.
Okay, good.
Yeah.
So you can roll it with.
Yeah,
alright, so which patty did you have?
Tasties.
Tasties?
Yeah.
So go
and
to.
it's a beef patty.
It's a beef
I
patty?
can't do the cheese patty. No, it's have to be beef patty.
Same thing for me. I'm not a fan of cheese
Yeah.
patties. The beef patty is normally the vibe for me, the original.
And you have to squeeze up the patty, the meat, squeeze it up to the top.
That's what you do yours?
Yeah.
Whoa, that's interesting. Alright. Everybody has their own little way of doing it, so. Yeah, you can eat the patty. Ooh. Yeah, so you get that.
Yeah. It's weird, right? If you not get that,
yeah,
it's like you not eat the patty.
They're not hot enough.
It,
Guys, look at that. Oh my god. That's what you want. You need those crumbs on the legs and thing. Yeah. Yeah. Alright, I did mention when I did a patty video, I did make a patty outdoors, go check out that video. That was a epic patty. It was so cool. The scenery was awesome. I used to be a big fan of another patty company, but now I switched over to Tasties because for one I find that they're always super hot, like the patties are generally hot. And I normally buy it from Sugar and Spice.
Yeah, but I think the only reason why you're a fan of the other patty company is because where you come from never really have Tasties.
Really? Do Mobay not have Tasties?
No, Tasties went to Mobay, like they opened a Tasties in Mobay in probably about 2006, 2008 or something like that.
True.
But I never had Tasties. It was Stanley Patty.
Sugar and
No, Juici Patty and the Stanley
Butterflakes
Patty and the Stanley Patty. One patty where they, you know, like
yeah, I know that one. If you guys don't know, I'm originally from Trelawney, but I went to school in Montego Bay, so those are the patties that I was accustomed to. So Juici Beef was one of them. Butterflakes, is that still even there?
Yeah, across from Baywell.
Yeah. In Falmouth, there's a patty company called Spicy Nice. I don't know if you guys might have known that one, but the ones that have standard test is definitely tasty. So I'm gonna try this patty. Do you have to tell them what I think? Nah, I've had this so many times. It's all about Jillian today.
1 minute.
So I'm gonna tell you my trick to know when a patty is like really hot and really ready. So if you look at the patty, right? Oh my god, it's so hot. Sorry for messing up the car actually. You see like a little raise, like so it goes up like that. When you see the patty like that, all that steam is inside of that patty just building up and it has that nice crust. It's crispy, everything is great with it. But when the patty is there for too long, like it's sitting for too long, like that raise just drops off and you know that, yeah, this is not really a hot patty. But anyway, let's get into it. One more. Wow. So, you know, Jamaica has a very, I don't know if it's a bigger, like, what is your favorite Jamaican food? Like, when you come onto a food, you can grab, hold in your hand, eat while you drive. What would that be?
Patty.
Definitely patty, right?
No, it's easy. And it's not too expensive.
It's not too expensive,
right?
Yeah.
I mean, it messes up the car a little bit, but
At least.
it's worth it.
Vibes. Guys, look at that. That's what I like to see on a patty. When you squeeze it, all that meat just comes up, you know, dry up, it's wet. I can't say that. You know what?
Why eat the patty so clean?
So clean?
Yeah, look from me. Makes no make no sense. Oh, you never eat a patty right, Steve.
No. Really?
You never eat it right.
Okay.
Because
This is the scenes like when you have to do this, you know that it's the patty right, the flakiness is proper.
apparently my own was more flaky than yours.
Alright guys, so mission accomplished. That's the very first stop. It's gonna be very tricky to eat 4 patties because for me 2 is my limit. Whatever your limit is, drop it in the comments. We're heading to the next stop. Hopefully we can find a spot that has parking. Usually patty places don't really have parking. Am I right? Or
Yaman scrum.
it's usually a yaman scrum type of thing, but nowadays you find them with parking and stuff. Anyway, heading to the next stop. If you guys know, drop it in the comments. Let me know. Also remember, drop a like on the video if you like stuff like this.
It's Juici Patties now, you know. Juici Patties Crossroad. 20 minutes, that can be. We can go there, so. Old Hope Road. Alright, you want us to use this?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go. Alright.
If you guys used to know that place called Captain's Break, it used to sell like some really good hot hard dough bread. Drop some butter on that, as it come out it melt. doesn't seem to be doing as great one time. The donuts?
Yeah, man, the donuts was really good.
Yo, big up to my boy Kurt Star, who always say raisin bread and donuts. It's not like a prestige bakery guy that, you know, you said there and I was gonna make them they could catch it off there. Anyway, on our way to the next patty shop. Wanna go after Jillian. Well, also myself as well, because Jilly said prestige donuts are not nice.
I don't like them.
To me personally, I find them a little bit overrated, but I don't know the old school like love it.
Or maybe it's, I don't know, when we buy it from the man them on the road, it's like
I think that's the
them
problem.
stale.
I think
They're not fresh.
that's the problem. So
No, not to me worse than a stale donut, but 2 stale donut or a whole box of stale donut. Like, yo.
facts.
Yeah, you know?
Yeah, she was, but there's one
Oh,
here.
yeah, so,
Oh,
parking.
awesome! And there's
Perfect.
parking here. Nice.
Oh, what me do wrong? The man that roughed me up, Steven. I didn't know.
I don't know. Oh, probably I said enough.
Me not, turn out all over park. I didn't know. You didn't have to be so huggish, man.
Alright, so do you guys know where we are? I haven't shown the sign as yet, but you guys might see the colors. Those 2 colors, they're like super notorious, and also the fish tank.
Oh, really?
There's legit a fish tank in every single one of these establishments. Every single one. I don't know. I think it's just a trademark of all of them. And they also said that I think the fish tank brings luck in the Chinese type of thing. Is this?
Okay.
Yeah.
I never know that.
Right. So the patty game in Jamaica is so competitive that everybody has the patty usually on the same price limit, you see me? So 180 again for a patty, so vibes. This was one of my favorite patty places, Juici Beef, but I have been converted.
Because you didn't know any better.
Because I didn't know any better? Oh, how rude.
I'm gonna feel the patty. Ah,
You want to see the patty them hot?
Them hot.
Them hot?
Yeah, them feel hot. Them hot.
Them hot.
You notice the crust.
Alright, let's go in the car and eat.
Thanks for here, darling.
Bless you.
Thank you.
They got the shape, they got the image. Take care, alright?
Yeah, man. Bro was just like, you're a model.
Whoa, I wish. Let's everything turn up.
Alright, so,
Alright.
alright, so let's get into these
I get my
patties.
wife. I want to use the wipes on my hands because, you know.
Oh yeah, cool, yeah, that's sanitized and thing. Alright, now I did mention that Juici Patties is no longer my favorite patty. It's now my second go-to. However, I kid you not, this morning I had their breakfast. Their breakfast to me is one of the best breakfasts you can get really quickly and very affordable. Their fried dumplings, the way they make the fried dumpling, I don't think anyone else on the market really makes it that good, or the way that I love it. So that's perfection. The porridges are great. So breakfast wise, that's my place. The almond porridge, peanut porridge, or the pea corn, it's awesome. Yeah man, go ahead. It's a patty. Oh my
yeah, it's
god.
hot.
It's hot? What do you think?
That's cool.
What's the difference you're getting though? Because you say you don't really
The
like.
crust is different.
Is it
It's
sweeter?
not as flaky as
You feel so?
It's not. It's not as flaky as Tasties.
Okay.
I'm thinking the meat for here, the meat
It look juicier to me.
juicier. Yeah, it's wetter. It's juicier.
Exactly.
I guess that's the name, Juici Patties, no?
Yeah.
And the beef it's sweeter.
Sweeter?
Yeah, that them season it way different. It's sweet.
Yeah, so I honestly think, like, to be honest, to each his own. If you like a juicy patty or tasty patties, it's whatever. But like they both have their differences. But it's essentially it's the same thing.
No, it's not the same.
Oh my god, I knew people are gonna say that as well. They're gonna kill me in the comments. But
Well, they should.
Yeah.
But it's not. A juicy patty is not a tasty patty. And a tasty patty is not a juicy patty. A patty is just not a patty.
then what is it?
So not tasty.
Yeah man, something like when the patty bun, you know.
A bun, yeah.
Yeah man. Tongue scorch up.
The crust have a buzz. The crust is nice. I like it.
Okay.
And I'm not really usually a fan of juicy. But it don't taste bad actually. I think it's hot, it's fresh out of the oven.
And that's why
I'm impressed.
Exactly, as I say, a patty is not really, it's not such a big deal where people are like, oh my god.
It's a big deal, how can you say that? For me, it's a tasty patty is a patty.
Okay.
But I'm saying, this one, no bad. It's a good one.
Yeah, I'm not gonna roast me, no problem. I mean, drop it in the comments, say whatever you guys have to say. What I mean is like both of them, they don't look different. There's not like this big hell of a thing happening. I mean, but to each his own. For me though, I used to love Juici, as I said, but I switched over to Tasties. The reason why I like Tasties, the main and the biggest reason, is that I find that Tasties is just more consistently hot. And that for me is just telling me that a lot more persons buy it readily. You understand? So it's not something that's sitting down in whatever. So if you were to rate the Tasties patty just now, how much you gave it? Out of 10?
12.
12. How much you give this patty?
I'd give it a 9 out of 10.
Okay, cool.
It's just my preference though.
No problem.
I prefer the seasoning of the tasty patty. It's kind of too sweet for me.
Okay.
Yeah, it's kind of too sweet, but it's good. It's good.
Awesome. So I'm going to try this after a long time. I mean, even though I say patty is a patty, there's a reason why I switched. Because there's somewhat of a difference. Yeah. This is something that should never happen. The crust is kind of a little bit burnt. Whoever baking it should have, really pre that and say, don't put it out.
The crust kind of so hard. It's overdone.
Mm-hmm.
You never squeeze up the meat.
Yeah, the last one, the crust. And because it's burnt. It's not bun up, but it's not. Yeah. Yeah, it's a good patty, but I think they kind of messed up on that. And that's one thing I wanted to point out as well. It's not just about the taste of it, but how consistently each company can bring out a patty. So far, for me, it has been Tasties. They have been pushing out consistent flavors, temperature, not burnt, whatever the case is. I'm sure they both mess up at times. What I like about having the option is after a while, when you have Tasties so often, if you have a different patty, you get to appreciate the different flavors that a Tasties patty has, if you understand. You just not catch it. You just not understand what I'm trying to say. It's like, alright, put it this way. In Jamaica we have KFC, right? And I was so happy when Popeyes came. Because it was like, okay, cool. When I get bored of KFC, I can switch over to Popeyes and then I can,
I understand what you're saying.
You're not a good sport.
No, I understand. So it's like you switch it up a bit and then you grow to appreciate Tasties more.
Exactly.
Yes.
Because you know, say, yo.
Boy, you eat a Juici 1 and 2 times.
Yes, okay, yeah.
It's a real patty now.
What is it?
When you're done with meat, to be big and fat.
That is Anyway, so far Tasties is leading the pack. Out of the 2 that we've done, we're heading to another one. Jilly is about to pop that up on the GPS. And I think we're going to be saving the best for last, basically.
We definitely.
Yeah, I think
yes, high end, my kind of thing, uptown.
Yeah, this is what you call uptown, the uptown of uptown patties. And if you guys know what the uptown of uptown patties is, drop it in the comments and make we know which patty that. And if you've had it before, tell us what you think. I feel like it's not Julia, a big driver, you know?
Yeah, of course.
Sharp road.
I'm surprised you're not nervous, because most men don't like driving women, you know. Let's see.
Speaking of Popeyes, if you guys don't know, if you haven't been back home in a while, there's a Popeyes now in Crossroads. Yeah, nice big one, you know, vibe. What you say?
I said, this is like harder than a 9 to 5.
As in being a YouTuber?
Yes, it's a lot of work. It's time consuming, it takes a lot of thought. And trust me, it's a lot.
I think people don't understand it. They just think because you have a camera, it's like...
Yeah, video something and talk. Hey, welcome to Sports Stuck on an Island where we're always smiling.
But here's the funny part. Is when you work and do videos like these and you even get paid sometimes. It's like, alright, cool. Okay. 9 to 5, you're sure your money.
For my man Jillian Patty, I'm going to get paid to rest.
Alright, so we're heading to the next patty stop. We're currently in Ligani. Yeah, and we didn't finish that. Did you finish your juicy patty?
No, I couldn't.
No, I didn't. Even though, again, I couldn't finish all patties anyway. But yeah, we're heading to the next stop. If you guys know, drop it in the comments before we get there, yo. Alright. I was about to say, yo, that man and I like woman in the body, is a woman driving. I was like, yep.
No, no one person can come in now.
I will wait.
Alright, no problem. So watch this on Mr. Douglas. You know the one this way. What this way. Meet up on the cashier. Same to you, sir.
Thank you so much, sir. Yo, you wanna know what's my favorite thing about this particular Mother's Patties? That particular security guard is just so polite. Like every single time you come here, there's always a warm welcome. When you leave, it's ridiculous how good he is, and that's just so cool to see in Jamaica. Anyway, my favorite patty of all time is here. Fun and joke aside. Do you want to try this the power patty?
Okay.
Yeah.
Try something different.
Yeah, so okay, can I get 2 power patties please? So again, patty is $108 each. So again, all 3 patties are the same price.
This is a power patty.
But this is a power patty, healthier patty because it's made with soy. So anyway, I hope you enjoy this patty
I hope so too.
vibes.
You want to sit here or you want to sit here?
Yeah, by the road. Yeah.
Let's see now.
Very first time having a power patty in it.
Yes.
And security was so kind to tell us that we have a 15-minute heating time frame. It's hot.
It's hot.
That's a lot of our power patties. It's usually not just baked and just put down because they're kind of special. You see me? So, yeah.
Let me take off this one.
The mask.
I know, right? It's so hot.
That's just. I need your reaction on this one, but if you look at the crust of this, it's a lot different. Yeah, it's a different kind of looking crust. This one is a little bit deformed. But anyway, for those who don't know, the red marking, if you're not from Jamaica, it just signifies it's a different kind of patty, so it's color coded. Alright. You look so intimidated about the patty.
Power patty company.
Facts. Hot, yeah? This is the 3rd time. Like, that's what you call a patty face. I've been eating the prettiest of face now, you know, that'll make it burning up again.
I'm trying to pull it first.
This is just my favorite patty. It's just like, yeah, I don't know. There's something about it. It's my personal preference. I don't think the crust is amazing, but like the meat for me, yeah.
The meat is nice, salty. It's not. It don't even taste like veggie chunks.
It don't feel like just veggie chunks. I like about it.
I feel like I'm eating a beef patty.
Like a beef patty, same thing, right? Facts.
Very good. Good.
Yeah, it's wet. Oh,
Very wet.
very wet.
Wow.
Awesome.
Nice.
It's not unexpected, right?
But not telling a lie. After 3 patties that we had today,
You prefer that one?
but nice.
Wow.
Like it nicer than the first patty company that we went to.
Facts.
Like for real.
It's about vibe, I'm not gonna lie. It's about.
Nice. Nice.
I don't know.
You guys should try it.
Yeah, I don't know about the beef patties. 'Cause I don't really buy the beef patties. Only patty I buy from Mothers is the power patty.
If you've never had a power patty
Patty,
before,
try
it's
it.
on your bucket list. It
Yeah,
tastes good.
it's really good.
It's nice. Nice balance.
Fun FYI, what I like about Mothers is Mothers tend to be a lot more innovative when it comes down to patties. There's a point that they did the jerk patty, they did the curry goat patty, and they did those seasonally, so they're not available now, but they usually could have get them like for a time period, and they're a little bit more expensive, so I guess they're not so successful because of the price. But I love that about Mothers, and the power patty, which is a new invention from them back then, is still on the list, so you know something that's really good. I think Juici Beef came out with their soy patty. I don't think it's still there. So as Julie was saying, like it's kind of spicy, but like I said, with veggie chunks, it have a kick to it. So, I mean, this one is probably the spicy out of the two. I can actually feel the spice, but it's not that spicy. You see me? Yeah, I think being biased, out of the three so far, I'm gonna choose this one.
This one is funny too.
You see me? Yeah, it have a vibe. Oh my god, your patty face is just like ridiculous. This is my favorite thing to do after a patty, like just squeeze it and still all the meat and just bite up that part. It's like, yeah, boy, like it's so good, it's so juicy. So legit, I just slip a security guard. So that was just no reason being. Yo, I've been coming to that place for probably 3 years, and it's the same one as always there. And like I said, even you saw it for yourself. Like yo, he's very courteous. Him not deal with you like. If you're in Jamaica, you know, the security guards there sometimes like these overhyped RoboCops. If you get what I say, it's like a power struggle. Like him say, yeah, I want to power and them deal with your way. That guy no. Courteous, love it. Anyway, Gillian had so many patty faces in there. She's like, yo, yeah, you have to go carry me somewhere where a little bit more dainty. So we're gonna head to somewhere that is a little bit her speed.
Me said that?
Huh?
Me said that?
You know what I thought ago?
Me never said that.
Oh my gosh, your first lie. Wow. Anyway, so we'll go somewhere that's a little bit more relaxed before we go to the final stop to finish off this video. We're going to Starbucks to grab an iced coffee because the other day you're just like, oh my god,
so
I'm craving an iced coffee. Let's go grab an iced coffee. And
oh, you remember?
eh?
You remember me saying that was so long ago?
The vibes.
Oh, thank you.
I'm on vibes. Go on inside. Guys, once you enter here, it's like a whole new world. Like
I know, I feel like I'm in foreign.
it smells like foreign. I don't know if it's coffee or what. But yeah, we just exited the other part of Jamaica. No, we're not foreign. So anyway, I'm gonna grab a coffee. Not really a big fan of Starbucks to be quite honest, cause yeah, do you like it?
I mean, it's overrated, but it's alright.
One of those things. So uptown, even water, which on the regular market is $100. This is a whole 50% markup. It's ridiculous. Yeah. No, the Perrier. I actually like that, you know, the spark. Oh, it's over there. All right, did a quick stop here. That's the price for 2 drinks. I decided to got the Tivana because one of my friends worked at one of the shops there, and I was just very curious about what it tasted like. What did you get?
A frappuccino.
Frappuccino?
Yes, coffee.
And as usual, they spell your name around. Facts. Anyway, whatever this is, it's really good. Like I enjoy it. And it's not so sweet. I respect that it tastes like tea, like not like a sweet drink. Alright, so we are at the very last patty stop for today. If you guys don't know where this very famous, popular, it's literally a famous place because they make an actual item over here, which is ice cream, which is like in the top 10 in the world, I believe, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, so we're gonna get some patties here. If you've never had a patty here, you definitely need to try it out. Which patty do you think you go get?
Me, I don't know, probably shrimp. I don't know, or beef. Probably try them beef.
Beef?
Yeah.
Probably lobster or goat. Ackee and saltfish patty? Oh, whoa. That's dope. So ackee and saltfish patty. Jilly, you did mention something which was interesting about the mothers and the...
Yes. Devon House Bakeries is operated by Mother's Enterprise.
So the mothers is the regular version and...
This is, I guess, more upscale.
Upscale.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Not say uptown, more upscale.
Upscale.
Yeah.
Got you.
The crust is a little bit different. They use a more pastry crust. It's a lighter.
Like a flaky pastry.
Yes, flaky pastry crust. For the
Gotcha.
patties here. Yeah. That's why them probably it costs a little more, I think.
A little more?
Well, we'll see.
Remember that the patties is a 180 now. We're gonna see the price difference in here. I'm guessing it's probably like 200% more, but nice. I like that. Still?
Yeah, somebody went in ahead of us, so.
Okay. COVID rules, 5 persons only allowed. Ridiculous. But anyway, outside is really nice though. Like these flowers. I don't know what these are called, but they're nice. Wasn't this place once called like the brick oven?
The brick oven, yes.
So this was once called the brick oven. And yeah, because you guys can see there's a brick oven back there, which I don't think they use, do they? No, I mean here.
No, they don't.
They don't. Here. Yeah. So I guess we were kind of right about the price. That it's 100% more than that's the regular beef. So she got the regular beef because she wanted to try that out, and I got the curry goat, which is $5.50, and yeah, I enjoyed it. So yeah, savings please. Thank you very much. Thank you. Let's go. Okay, what I like about out here is that it's outside. So that's kind of a vibe. Scenery is a lot better than everywhere else that we went. Alright, so I want to get your review on the beef patty because I never bought a beef patty from here before.
Me either.
Yeah.
Let's see.
I know that you mentioned about the whole mothers and that. I'm interested to see. That's like a beef.
This is a beef.
They realize that their patty is very, the shape is different, completely different.
This is your goat patty.
This is my little goat patty.
And let's show them the shape of the patty in real life.
Start leak and everything. It was like curry
hot.
up in there. So I think we had some good victories today. Like everything has been hot.
Very hot.
Nice.
So guys, a cutie
Like a patty like this in my head, I'm like, yo, where do you start?
from the middle.
From the middle?
I don't know. I mean, I can't bite. No, I can't bite it like that. So I can't. You probably just have to break it apart. Like just, how you bite this? For real.
Yeah, it's kind of
It just-
strange right now.
It dainty so.
I would start from here, like from the sides.
And bite and go to the center.
Just do your thing.
Alright, so I'm gonna hold it like this.
Alright.
Which side? It just look weird.
It is weird.
Alright, let me look here. Don't bother put my face in it.
Why?
Cause
Patty
it-
mouth.
I-
We need to
this-
see the patty
yeah,
mouth. We've
the
gone
face
3
are
times
different.
or on the 4, yeah.
Alright. It's
Yeah.
Honestly,
I like people who actually give the food some time to marinate before them say, yeah man, it's nice. It just this just real. Me appreciate that.
I'm gonna have to squeeze up the meat like a bit now.
Yo, so the steam come out of that one?
It's hot.
Shit. Ooh.
Ooh, look at that!
Jeez.
I'll make it cool and I'll go and taste the meat.
Alright, cool.
But you know,
Yo, we out here winning. Like, when they talk about a patty mouth, Julian is a perfect example. 4 patties, 4 they bunny up. What is it?
honestly, it tastes like the man's patty.
Tastes like the same thing, no?
Yeah, it tastes like. Taste it. Taste it. Just taste it. Cool it. Don't make it on the banana. That same peppery, salty.
Yeah, it's not special.
Yeah, it tastes like the pork patty, but even
Well, this is beef.
beef,
so.
right? But it tastes similar,
Yeah.
very similar. The seasonings are similar.
Yeah, them tricky. Tricky up on that one there. Alright, but the curry goat, this is what I really, come here for. In terms of, again, like innovative type of stuff.
You never had a curry goat patty?
I've had it before.
You had it before?
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah. But then I had some church group something and I was hungry about one.
I don't know how you might eat it. You want me to take it out?
Sorry. Mine is ugly.
No, it's not.
It's deformed. Look funny.
It's not
Put it
deformed.
out very deformed.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Look the farm.
So
Let's put it out. Okay.
there goes my patty. I'm gonna take a bite. Oh, this crust is actually very light.
It's lighter than yes, it is. It's lighter than this one too.
Yeah. This
You
is
see,
lighter.
yeah, that's an uptown crust.
Oh, so you get the regular people
Yeah.
crust. Oh yeah, got it. Yeah, you look at 350, 380, whatever. All right, try this.
Now to the meat.
You can smell the goat like a meme.
And it's local goat. It smells like too, don't it?
That goat that come from St. Elizabeth.
Let me taste it. Let me squeeze up some of the meat.
The goat meat is good. Wow.
This is bad.
Yeah, like a man.
It's local goat, you know?
Nice, man.
And then put ginger in there. I can taste it. It's nice. Wow,
It's a good patty.
it's nice.
It's a really a good one.
It's good.
Ooh,
It's good.
nice. So, if you were to choose out of the 3 patties that we did today,
3, 4.
the 4 patties that we did today, sorry, which one is the winner? Bear in mind price point, location, everything you want to think about.
Alright, of the 4 patties, honestly, surprisingly, I think the pork patty win for me.
The power patty.
Yeah, it was really good. Price point is,
Yeah,
can't beat that. Location, I'm pretty central.
yeah.
It tastes good. The crust is flaky and nice. Seasoned up just right.
Right,
Not too salty, not too spicy. $180? That's what it is.
exactly.
Yeah.
Of course, this is a goat patty. It's like $5.60 for this patty or whatever the cost was. $5.50. So that expensive. Like how much persons can afford
yeah,
this?
the average
Like,
Jamaican now go buy a
yeah,
$550 patty.
for street food. Street food is supposed to be affordable and tasty. But yeah, for me, definitely it's going to be the pork patty vibes. But even though this one is not the overall winner, we have to appreciate the wetness of this meat inside. It's really good, and as Julie said, like the crust is different. Like I think they use a different crust on. I mean, probably this one is overdone. Like the
Probably over, yeah, it
it's
looks a little bit burnt up.
yeah, it looks overdone compared to the like the Juici Beef one today was overdone. But yeah, this is the crust that we're going for. It's very light.
It tastes like a cook shop curd goat.
In a patty?
In a patty.
Yo.
Curd goat.
Oh my gosh, so good. And the goat chunks them just chunky.
Yeah.
More?
It's not good. It's not good flavor.
Not goat flavor,
yeah,
it's
it's
like
nice.
it's goat chunks. No man, Julie. Honestly, you wouldn't know if you eat a patty or you know if you eat it too good.
It's a universal call for cats, you know.
Alright guys, and that brings us to the end of another video. If you guys enjoyed a video like this, yo, drop a like on the video and drop in the comments and tell me if you want to see Jillian back on the show. I have another video idea that I could do with her. It's a place that I'm sure you guys have spoken about. You guys want me to go there and do that review. So if you want it to happen, drop some likes on the video, subscribe, share, whatever it is that you guys want to do. So anyway, we're gonna head out. But final conclusion, you don't know, we already said the mother's paw patty one. Whenever you're in Jamaica, if you've never had the patty before, make sure you guys go on here and check it out. And I'll catch you on the next one. Number 3 things: love, nature, and adaptation. And always remember, keep it linked.